current is strong at 30 meters. We need to adjust the cable tension.
Agreed. The starboard winch needs more slack.
Is that shackle secured? Yes, engineer, double locked. All right, tell the bridge we are ready to lift. Okay, divers are clear. Take the tension up slowly. Hold steady.
Pull the left line. Steady now. Watch the swing. Lower it slowly.
Lower slowly, hold it steady. Holding steady, coming down. All right, she's down. Secure the forward chocks. All right, take the tension slowly. Watch the sway on that back strap. Copy that, tension engaged. Clear pathway above. Check the undercarriage here. The water damage seems worse than we thought.
Noted. We need to secure it tightly before the weather turns.
The saltwater intrusion is significant, especially in the engine control unit.
We'll need to replace the entire harness.
And the battery shows signs of a thermal event. Confirmed. All straps checked and secured.
All right, we are good to roll.
The salt water got everywhere. The ECU is completely corroded. And the turbo housing is cracked. This won't buff out.
The bore scope confirms significant water ingress here, and the multimeter readings show high resistance across the sensor.
The salt water reached the main connectors. We have significant voltage drops here. It's worse near the fuse box. This harness is completely compromised. The damage to the alloy is severe. Check the suspension arm closely.
I'm logging the torsion values now. They're off spec. Do you want this wheel moved to the inspection bay?
We've completed the caliper restoration and the suspension adjustments.
The specs match the blueprint. The torque values are confirmed. Look at that finish on the console. And the doors match perfectly. We did a great job.
The deep black paint correction took the longest, but the results speak for themselves.
It's flawless. The wheels came out perfect too.